I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were...
Yeah, people, so today we're on way to the Oxford Great House Plantation. It was a sugar plantation. Alright, there's a great house there and a tower there. Alright, but first I'm going to be showing you guys an old hospital, an old military hospital here in Johnstown, St. Thomas. We're already on site, so I'm just have a showing around, guys, and follow me. Yeah, guys, so let me give you a first person view of this building right here. I head up in them bushes. Uncle up there already. Yeah, guys, so welcome back to Lyssons Jamaica. For those of you who are joining me for the first time, we do historical and archaeological videos here on Lyssons Jamaica, basically Jamaican history, everything about Jamaican history. So if that's something you like, you can subscribe to the channel, as that really help us to create more videos. Alright, look like my last right as a piece, I don't know where to go through. However, I know we always find you see. Kenneth! Where you walk up there? Look like a piece of the building that no peeps. Yeah, man. But I have to find a way first. Alright, so I'm going to go back out on the road and see if I find another way around.
Mr. What?
Yes, sir.
Which part you say the old hospital there?
Yeah. I have never been there, but they've been up on the hill there, But you know, they present to Mugland.
Yeah.
They present to Mugland. They've been up on the hill there, up in the bush there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you.
So, I didn't have to walk on to walk.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, good.
We did a search and we never listen on. We just said that we go straight to the Oxford plantation, but then we get a phone call there. We can make the phone call there and we have to go up in the bush to see if we find the hospital. It was a military hospital, guys. Alright, so yeah, man, I want to document that, have that covered. Alright, so you want to be with me, follow me. This is a man-made hole. Yeah, this is a man-made hole. Can you see that? That 4 corner stone. Yeah, the better, yeah. Yeah, guys, so we just find one hole. But that hole here have 4 corners of stone. Looking at the bush, if you see no more concrete, if you see the building, kind of. This hole here have 4 corners of stone, guys, as I notice. You see that? 1 corner there, One corner here, one corner there, and then over here. So I'm thinking that we are getting close to this location. If you guys think we're getting close to the location, let me know in the comment section down below. Alright? Type close. We're up in some bush and we haven't seen the building as yet. I'm still searching. Up at the top. What I'm not understanding though is why would they have a hospital, a military hospital, so far up on the hill? Because back in those days, I don't think they would have helicopter or aerial transport for that matter. So we say if the building is up here, it should be on the flat, on the pinnacle of the hill. So that's actually where we're going. Alright, so yeah man. You type walk in the comment section and help me walk. Please. We'll walk. We're way up the hill and we still can't seem to find this elusive military hospital. Alright, so we still a climb because we don't reach the top of the hill yet. Let's connect up there so. We say run up in a something all over peeps. I don't know I'm run up in a if I answer what them call it. This COVID shower, I'm afraid to scratch my skin. Yeah, so we'll look for that place there. Yeah peeps, so go up on the top of the hill and building wasn't up there. So we'll go back down and search through them bushes, see if we find it. Kenneth move like Moses, you know, with him rod. You cross it? You not cross it yet? Alright. Don't drop, you know. You are knocking? Okay. Janu. Yeah? Yeah, may I get tangled up and tie up a ton one ton back, you know. Yeah, people. So we search for that house. We search and search and search for the house. So we not find it. We go up on the top of the hill. We come back down. We still not find it. When I see how wet, I see how wet. Can I try it wet to like? It was a long walk. So I think we're gonna call that one quits, and we're gonna head for the Oxford Plantation and Great House. Alright, so yeah, I have a lot of remnants over there to show you guys, one tower and all of that. Plus, I have something else to show now on the way. So you say run up and down to them place when you're young, don't you?
Yeah, my turf this, you know.
Okay.
Walk up and down in this like, community, yeah. Which street me live, you know.
Oh, true. Very nice community,
Stop on
man.
the yard, yeah.
True.
We went to that birthday.
Okay.
So, quiet community retreat, you know, Alexander Park.
True.
One of the more upscale community.
Oh, yeah, I see that agree,
Yeah,
man. Yeah, peeps, that's the retreat roadworks, part of the retreat main road project. Yeah, man. Very lovely community, guys. Yeah, but the sun hot. Let's see how far we walk from peeps and see how we are retreat heading up to Oxford. Alright, yeah, man, it's gonna be here with me. Follow me. Alright, so this is I would say the nicer part of St. Thomas. Just gonna give you guys a 360 around. We are now heading out onto Oxford Road, and then we're gonna make the left. The left we're gonna make now. Yeah, we're gonna make the left, guys, and we'll be heading up to the location. Alright? Yeah, man. So gonna be here with me. Yeah, peeps, so we're actually at the Oxford location. Here, man, we find it. Alright, so this tower and the plantation was actually owned by Mr. Nathaniel. I'm name again, Mr. Nathaniel Beckford. Alright, that was in 1759. Okay, I'm gonna put information on screen. Just hope me remember that time here. I put information on screen as to the persons who had owned this location over the ages. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna show this, guys. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna see it. Yeah, guys, so my phone is not screenshotting, so yeah. As you notice, this is Oxford, Jamaica, St. Thomas in the east. Alright, so this shows you actually who owned the plantation, and as you notice, in 1753 it was Elizabeth Beckford. Alright, she was actually married to James Carroll, who was the owner before. And this information comes down where you can actually see all the names of the owners and the year in which they had owned the property. Alright, this is the value of the property when it was sold. And these are the different owners and the different type of business that they had run from that plantation. As you notice here, right here you have sugar, rum, molasses, annexed account of outgoing and income. Not sure what that means, but it was always sugar, rum, or molasses. You know? Here, guys, so back to the video. I don't want trespassing now. Up there, thing I might try reach, is it? It's a video me film, isn't it? But I don't want trespass still. She must have come on and go, but my sister me have to come on too much. So I tell her still, is it? Yeah, man. And say, look out for us.
Thank you.
Just all the way call him or what, but maybe they are wait, and then he come back and say, "This is one." Yeah, because they just come to the mic. So that's not what we do.
So when you're up in a bush, you know, and them tell you about us, so we are look out for us. However, you know, we gotta show you all this footage, and it's a very large tower going all the way up in the air, up there. See that, guys? Yeah, man. Whoa. Yeah, man, so this is a great find. This is the Oxford Tower here in Oxford, Lyssons St Thomas in Jamaica. This was actually owned by Mr. Nathaniel Beckford, alright? Honorable Nathaniel Beckford, he was a member of the House of the, he was a member of the legislative committee, alright? So, yeah, this is really a magnificent find. This tower is still intact due to the fact that, you see, guys, whenever time these buildings are in the cold, like under the tree, them and everything there, and the night dew and all of that, that is the reason why we can't do carbon dating on some of these buildings, because the temperature, the fluctuation of the temperature, it differs, and then the building can look older than it actually is, because this building is very old. And you notice it gone all the way up there, you know, it's still standing. This is even higher than the one that we found up in Needhampen, because this one is in the baking sun, and you know it's all bricks, guys. It was made from fire, so eat now mashed up. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm gonna give you a little look around the surroundings. Nice. That nice in the comment, guys. Yeah, guys, so this is the surrounding of the Oxford Tower. Alright. Yeah, guys, and if you enjoy videos like these, remember you can always subscribe to Elite Jamaica, as we actually make videos like these on a weekly basis, sometimes 3 or more videos per week, as we try to uncover Jamaica's slave history. Keeps up tower at eye, you know? Yeah, man. You see that, guys? So let me get some more perspective on this shot. Yeah, peeps. So that board right there, remember in the tower, in the building that we found, I'm not remembering the name of that building we found in Old Harbour, where I was wondering, even in the Stokes Great House, we were wondering what those holes were for. Now we realized that it was actually for braces. That was the top floor, so there will be boards running from across there, coming across over to here. Alright, so that was for a top floor. Maybe you go up more, you'd see another floor and another floor. Alright, so that was what it was for. Guys, the building is nice, and it's really big. As you can actually see the width of the walls. Now you see how wide this wall is. Very wide. Yeah, man. Let me know if y'all are enjoying this video so far. If you're enjoying this video, subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Alright. This was well built, guys. Yeah, man. Get it! Yeah, guys, that's the tower right there. I'm not sure what is up above, but it seems there was something on top of this tower. You know, in the clean out, you know. Yeah, man, this well preserved tree in the sun, you know. You see, if you there underneath the tree, them and them thing that like some of them find, they just the cool here, the mildew and them thing there. They stone them when they build, they block them and the stone them and them thing there that crumble down already and them way there, is it? Because some of them block that them build them from limestone and them thing there, is it? So them that crumble down. But this is not the sun. Because you know the sun can't damage brick, you know. Brick make from heat. You know? Yeah, man. Yeah, guys, so that's the tower. Here we have another piece here, guys, on the outside. Not sure what this was, but here's another piece of wall on the front. Not sure what exactly that was, guys, and we're not able to get up in there, you know. But it's the same tower like the one we found in Old Pier. If you all remember that video, type Old Pier in the comment section down below. Yeah, peeps, so we found that one, the Oxford Tower. I'm not see the plantation, I'm not see the Great House. I have to talk about what I say. We actually found the tower, and that was owned by Mr. Nathaniel Beckford, as you would have seen the information on screen. Alright, so yeah, that one was rather, I mean, I say well kept, but it, where does it now, Kenneth? Where does it about it? Wait though.
Yeah, man.
It's in a good order though. It's well preserved. Yeah, well preserved. Yeah, guys, that one was well preserved because it's in the sun. I know it's made from bricks, as I told you guys earlier. So yeah, man, I that we found that one, so that one will be documented. Alright, yeah. Alright, so we're back in Top Hill. Alright, so yeah, we got a drive a while ago, so I did not get to show you all the rest of the footage. We just stopped at the body shop. I check in from Betsy. That are the Elite Mobile. Alright, I'm gonna show you that, guys. But before I go there, I just want to say condolences to all of the persons, friends of the Elite Jamaica, who lost family members this week. I want to say condolences to Maxine, who lost her daughter. Condolences to Jay from Jamaica Yard Life, who lost his girlfriend. Condolences to Cher, who lost her dad. You know, just try to be strong, alright? I don't know how to like console someone when they lost a loved one or a family member. Just can say stay strong. Alright, for the rest of y'all, stay safe. Alright, I'm going to show you this now. Yeah, follow.
Yeah, mobile up again.
On screen you will see how the car was this morning and how it was the other day. Yeah, man.